I hope that the conference is a positive one and one that delivers the message to the right people and make sure that Somali people take control of their situation and make sure that Somalia is a peaceful nation once again.
We hope Somalia become a stable country and the Somalians take their rule to build their country. And we hope British government takes their role to support the sovereign nation.
My hopes are implementing maybe more ideas, have more youth, give us the power maybe to make our own decisions, because we don't have that faith in the new government until they actually have faith in us. So that's all we need. We need power for the youth.
We wanted the international community to support Somali and put in more investment directly to the Somali community, which will help the livelihood of the Somali.
We want a good security so we can be safe there. Even though we don't get a job, we just want to go there and see our family and be safe.
Somalis, diaspora as well as back home in Somalia, should be empowered, to be honest with you, because I believe the youth is the ones that can rebuild the country or can destroy the country as well. I think what the UK is doing is absolutely fantastic job.
We hope that there will be something productive in terms of economic investment, in terms of security improvement, that there will be more coordination and there will be more input be put into Somalia financially. And I think that's what the conference is about. I welcome the British government's role in Somalia because they've recognized that they can't isolate or leave that state on their own.